Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. Now today's video is an unboxing video, so without further ado, let's roll right in. Okay, so this bag was sent to me from Hazelluxury. Now Hazelluxury are a brand I've worked with before. I will put on the screen a previous video that I made before, and so they've sent me a bag. Well, there's obviously a bag within the bag. Then there's a plastic wrapper, the dust bag, and then there's a cute little camellia flower, a bow. I don't know if that's for wrapping or regifting, I'm not really sure, to be honest. And then here is the bag. So let me undo the plastic. Let's have a look inside. So as you can see, there's a dust bag. It's been well packaged, and I can't actually, be honest, I can't actually remember what they've sent to me, but I will take a look inside. Let me just move that box because it's taking up a lot of space up there. Oh, I'm liking the look of this. Ooh. Ooh. It's stuck to my nails. Okay. As you can see, more branding on the front. I'm going to remove that. I'm just ripping it off because I'm not regifting this. I'll be keeping this. And, well, to be honest with you, I'm not sure of the name of this bag, but I think she's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. So let's just take out some of the padding and have a look inside. Are there any zips? There's a small little pocket there. It's quite spacious inside. They've got those silica packets like they usually do inside bags. The bag's got pockets on the ends. Oh, that's cute. You can pop your mobile phone in there, so that's pretty cool. And on this side there's a bit of plastic protecting the hardware, and there's another little side pocket there as well. This bag is gorgeous. What can I say? It's sort of like almost like a rucksack. It's got that kind of detail. I mean, I don't know if you're meant to pull this to close it, but I don't want to because I'm afraid to damage the bag. I think I would just be happy wearing the bag like this. This bag is really nice. This isn't a bag that I would necessarily have brought for myself, but you know, now I've got it here with me, it's absolutely stunning. I'll bring it up a little bit closer so you can see the hardware and the detail of the leather. And yeah, it has more hardware on the inside. What size is that sticker? Not sure what that is. But this bag is very classy. What I like about this bag is you can wear it kind of with formal wear. Because look at me, I've got on like similar to a Chanel style cardigan. So this goes with something quite classy, but it also goes, I think you could rock this with jeans and a t-shirt, you know. I think it's really pretty. I wonder if this bag comes in other colours. It's absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for sending me this bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely be wearing this bag. It's a shame I didn't get this bag the other day. I did a video on large tote bags, and it would have been nice to pop this in the video as well. But this is absolutely amazing. Absolutely love it. So yeah, if you're a girly, if you're a bag girly like I am, obviously please feel free to check out the bags in my playlist, or check out my Insta, where you can see lots of other gorgeous bags just like this, and with all the details of the names of bags and stuff, because I never remember what bags are called. But yeah, this bag is definitely going to be one of my firm favourites. Let's have a look at the bottom. Gorgeous, absolutely stunning. So yeah, this was a really super duper quick fire video. So if you enjoyed this video, you know exactly what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. But for now, ta-ta for now.